I'm not feeling up to this guy's energy right now. I feel like I'm rushed. I'm gonna get out of here right now.
What are you gonna blame me for? I'm just making check on my
Let's go right now. What's up, everyone? I'm Aaron.
I'm Mark.
And we're gonna share with you a couple of video production tips we've learned here by working at the Futur.
This video is brought to you by Cobra FRS USA.
Hello.
Battery tip, take one. Hey Aaron, can you go grab the batteries?
Rookie mistake is to not keep your stuff organized. For example, batteries. You got one chance to get the shot and I'm scrambling to find a battery that works. Very not pro. So what I do is these batteries are charged. These batteries are not charged. So when I'm done shooting, I just take the battery out. It's a dead battery and I just throw it anywhere that's not in that bag. And that way I know that if they're in this bag, they're charged. Super simple.
Memory cards. If you're like us and you shoot a lot of video, you might have run into issues when you don't know what the heck is on these cards. So in this next tip, Aaron's going to show a system that helps us understand what is on them.
So you're going to need a notebook, a pen, and some of that cheap Scotch tape. Let's say I'm out shooting, boom, 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 card's full. Open up my notebook, put this card in here, little piece of tape, boom, Mark and Aaron shooting video, camera A, got a lavalier.
Yeah, that's another helpful tip. Identifying what audio is on there. Different lavs, different mics, different talents.
3 days later when I want to edit, I just open up to the page. Oh, what's on this card? Oh, Mark and Aaron shooting. This is a camera and it has our lavalier audio on it. And now I know what to call the folder, what to name it. Now I'm super organized.
So the key to running a tight production is communication. And that can be tough if you're on other sides of the studio or you're trying to direct somebody from a distance.
Okay, Erica, you ready?
What am I doing again?
Walk over to me, but just be over the top, happy, like bouncing around. Action. Perfect, doing great. Give me a jump. Cover the camera. Perfect. Here at the Futur, we use these Cobra chat tag walkie-talkies to stay in touch.
Yeah, if you give me the 7200 and the video transmitter, please.
Hey Mark, can you bring me a lavalier?
Sure, I got it.
Are you getting any levels? Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Yep, coming in loud and clear.
So I'm running around a lot, setting up lights, setting up shoots, and sometimes Chris needs to talk to me, but I'm not in the office. So what I do is I slide one of these right onto his desk with a little sticky note so that he knows if he needs to talk to me, he just picks up the walkie-talkie and goes,
Hey Aaron, let me know when you're done with that shoot. I need to talk to you about the edit.
yeah, I'm working on it.
They're lightweight and wearable, and they have an 8-mile range.
These are fully functioning walkie-talkies, and they pair with other walkie-talkies on the market. There's like two kinds of B-roll, the way I look at it. There's establishing to kind of paint a picture of where we are, and then there's transition action B-roll, which is great for moving from one thing to the next.
I've seen Aaron do a lot of weird but really cool stuff when he's shooting B-roll.
A lot of times people have all these quirky little tics they do, I've noticed. Catching these little sort of moments will make for really interesting B-roll.
Shoot what nobody else is shooting, or shoot it like no one else is shooting.
This guy we know, Spencer, came up with this pretty ingenious, low-budget way of getting high-quality audio.
So you could use your mobile phone and your headset that comes with a microphone. And the microphone on these works quite well as long as it's placed very close to your mouth. I'm actually using this right now, and the audio that you've been listening to is recorded with the DIY lavalier. So here's what you do. Pull up your voice memos app on your phone. You just hit record. All right, now let's recap everything that we just talked about. First and foremost, be organized. You don't have to follow our crazy system, but use something that works for you. Next, clear communication. It's important in any relationship, but especially in production. Be direct and be nice about it. Make the best of B-roll. It's not the most interesting thing to shoot, but it makes all the difference when you're editing. And lastly, don't let your budget hold you back. If you can't afford an expensive lavalier, just make your own. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. We hope you thought it was useful. We have many more tips, so if you like them, please comment below.
Also, if you're interested in these walkie-talkies, you can pick them up at Best Buy or online at trekkertech.com.
Use coupon code YouGot25 to get 25% off Cobra's chat tags on the Trekker Tech website. Link below. Offers good until August 15th, 2018.
Bye-bye.